Hello students, myself Pankaj Kumar and today we will study computer. In last video we had seen the steps for scanning. Today we will see defragmentation and operation support system. So let's start. This defragmentation. First we need to understand fragment. A fragment of a file shifted to other location on the hard disk is said to be a fragment of the file. A part of a file shifted to other location, not in one location, in different location. Okay, on the hard disk is said to be a fragment of the file. Let's see the example and try to understand the concept. As you can see on the screen, the left side here we have hard disk and the right side one file which had got 500 MB. When you store this file A into this hard disk, so operating system will check free space in the hard disk and accordingly store the file in hard disk. Okay. When you store file A into this hard disk, operating system searches for free block. As here we have, this is block number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and each block can store 200 MB. Okay, so operating system will search for free block. So first block is free here, so accordingly operating system store 200 MB in this block. Then it will move to the second block, but that is already full. Then third block, that also already full. Then it will move to the fourth block and that is free now, so accordingly operating system store 200 MB there. Okay, then fifth block and store 100 MB. Okay, this is how operating system searches for free blocks and store the data. Okay, so this is fragment of the file. As you can see on the screen, 200 MB of the file stored in block 1, 200 MB stored in block 4 and 100 MB stored in block 5. Okay, block 5. So these are not in same place. That's why this is fragment of the file. Okay. Defragmentation. It is a system to collect the scattered segment of a file. Scattered segment, that means, as you can see on the screen, in first block we have 200 MB, in fourth block 200 MB, in fifth block 100 MB. So files are kept here there, not in one place. That is called a scattered segment, okay, of a file and organize them in one specific place. It is a process to collect the scattered segment and store in one place. That is called defragmentation. Okay, organize them in one specific place in the hard disk. Okay. Let's see the example and try to understand the concept of defragmentation. As you can see on the screen, now block 1, block 4 and block 5 all are shifted in one place. As you can see, this has got 500 MB now. Understood? So this is the work of defragmentation, to collect the scattered segment of a file and organize them in one specific place, and block 2 and block 3 are shifted below. Understood? Now let's see the process of defragmenting a hard disk drive. For that we have to follow some steps. Step number 1, double click on computer icon on the desktop of your computer. Here we have computer icon, just double click on it. A window will appear showing all the folder, devices and driver. As you can see on the screen, here we are having C drive, D drive, E drive and all. Okay. Now step number 2, select C drive and click right button of the mouse. Select C drive and click right button of the mouse. A drop down menu will appear. This is drop down menu. Click on properties. As you can see here we have a properties option. Just click on properties. C drive property window will appear. This is the C drive property window which appear here. select tool. As you can see here, we are having tool option. Just click on it, the menu bar, and click on optimize button. As you can see here we have two options, check and optimize. So here we have to click on optimize button. As you click, you will get option to select the drive. You will find an optimize drives window appears on the screen. It mainly contains two buttons. First one, analyze. First of all, select the drive to be defragmented. Let me select D drive. On clicking analyze button, it will start finding the scattered content of the file. As you click on analyze button, it will start finding the scattered content of the file. So let's do this. As you can see, it started running, 100% completed also. Okay, wait until analysis is 100% completed. So 100% completed. Now optimize. Once the analyzing is completed, click optimize button. Click optimize button. Now you're supposed to click on optimize button. It will start collecting the information from various part of the hard disk. The collected segment will finally be fixed at one place. As you can see, process is going on. Now you can see 0% fragmented, 0% fragmented as process completed. Okay, so as soon as it will show okay 0% fragmented, as you can see here, just now this we have optimized. Okay, against the drive means no fragment is left to be optimized. No fragment is left to be optimized. Everything done. Okay, hence the drive is defragmented. Okay, hence the drive is defragmented. Finally click close button. Finally click close button on the optimized drive window and click OK and apply. OK and apply. This is how you can defragment a hard disk. Okay. Now operation support system. Operation support system is abbreviated as OSS. So OSS stand for operation support systems. Very important, so please learn. Okay, it is used by telecommunication service provider TSP. TSP stand for telecommunication service provider. As a network support system, it provides the facilities to take care of network requirement. It provides the facilities to take care of network requirement. It includes the following: management, service assurance, service delivery, service fulfillment, network management, and customer care. So it is used by telecommunication service providers. It provides facility to take care of network requirement like service assurance, service delivery, service fulfillment, network management, and customer care. In detail we'll discuss in higher classes. Okay, so today we have seen disk defragmentation and operation support system. Okay, so what is fragmentation? A part of a file is shifted to other location on the hard disk. It's said to be a fragment of the file. Okay, now what is defragmentation? Defragmentation is a system to collect the scattered segment of a file and organize them in one specific place in the hard disk. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.